sounds nasty. This sounds disgusting. What the fuck? I think I heard that kid just shout, "Why? Why?" Yeah, exactly. Why would you do that to your bike? It sounds shit. Jesus Christ! Oh my god, that fox almost died! Why are there so many foxes? Fucking hell! Fuck you. My lord, man, this fucking fox pushing its luck. What the fuck is this guy's problem? He's still going at it. My god, man. Some people got no respect for essential workers. What the fuck? The guy is so far up my ass, unbelievable. How does it smell back there, you idiot? What the fuck? Jesus fucking Christ, GV12 VCN. What a fucking twat. My lord. What an absolute cunt. Oh fucking hell. Whew. I thought this shit had ABS. Why is he so far up my arse? This guy's so close behind me, I can't see him in my rearview mirror. Yo, 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 yo! What the fuck? Fuck you, dickhead. Hi, Snow. What are you trying to do? You ain't getting past him that way. Jesus. Look at this C-Max. What is he doing? No, not even a C-Max, a Kia. That's what the full-size Veradero looks like. I think. I can't tell. I have absolutely no idea of knowing. Why would you have a pannier on one side and not the other? Turn your fucking high beams off. My god. Jesus Christ, oh my god. Oh. What the fuck? But why? Is that fucking van stolen or something? Dude, what the fuck, man? Holy crap. Yo, that's messed. What on earth? Why is such a huge fire? I think that's what the helicopter's for. Bloody hell, it looks like a nuke went off. Holy shit, look how huge that is. It's just pouring out. That's so crazy. Doesn't that look like a fucking nuke? Jeez. I wonder where this shit is. It's somewhere over there. Oh, don't tell me it's the petrol station. It might be. So it's some Just Cause 2 style explosion. That's so mental. Bruh. Look at that fucking fire. That is one crispy fire. Oh, I've gone past it as well. Oh, unless that's coming from a block of flats. It might, you know. Shit. I hope no one's getting injured, man. Oh, why is it the day I decide to go home early, I'm not allowed to go home early? Yeah, screw it, I'm gonna turn that way as well, you're right. Watch out, dude.